Today we'll be viewing the Dematron DPX 3525. It's a heavy duty machine that can sew up to 400 text thread. It's made in Europe, very high quality, and has a 15-inch screen. Everything is touchscreen, totally updatable. It operates off Windows 10 software. It's a big shuttle hook, as you can tell, so you get a lot of sewing cycles before you have to change it over. We'll be sewing on 3 layers of webbing. Very tight netted webbing here. Comes with a lot of good features. You got a needle cooling system. It's got double tensions for heavy thread. And it has heavy duty pneumatic cutters. So it doesn't use heat to trim the thread. It uses an actual cutting knife, which eliminates the risk of having the laser gum up all the nylon on the under part of the machine where the bobbin area is. But all right, here we go, guys. For you guys that are looking for a heavy duty machine that's constructed very well, this machine is made in Europe. It's super heavy duty. It's got great craftsmanship, great electronics. Actually, probably one of the best in its class. There are a few machines out there that can compare with this. Everything's really stout and well crafted, well designed. From the stand, table. You can do onboard programming, not a problem. Onboard programming, touchscreen, large monitor. You write any program on this LED screen here directly into the machine. We also supply custom clamping for different applications. We look forward to hearing from you. And we utilize a 400 text thread. So actually 415 text thread nylon. If you need more information on this product, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-492-5553. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep bringing new video and new product to you. Have a blessed day.